So Aunt Linda had me put my farmer clothes on today because it's hot up here. And I got to dig a few, well, just one big post hole to put a big old, well, it's bigger than a pipe. Put that in there for him while he's mowing the lawn. I fixed the street light last night. After blowing it up, I put it back together, and now it's better than it ever was before. Much like Bionic Man and much like myself. So anywho, got the nice t-shirt on, Uncle Pete's. You can't wear regular t-shirts because his shoulders and neck are so big. That's why I look like I'm trying to sew cleavage, because I'm not that big of a man. But I am purty, and that's what counts sometimes. Day 2 up at the farm here in Clendenden, just outside Charleston. And it's a beautiful day.